The history of bartending from ancient times through provision to the modern craft cocktail movements has shaped today's drinking culture. It transformed bartending from simple service to a skilled profession, influencing current trends in cocktails and bar experiences. Jeremy Thomas, often regarded as the father of American mixology, is frequently credited as one of the first prominent bartenders. Born in 1830, Thomas gained fame from his innovative approach to the cocktail and bar service. His seminal book, How to Mix Drinks, published in 1862, was the first kinds to document cocktail recipes and techniques systematically. Thomas' book introduced iconic cocktails like the Tom Collin and the Blue Blazer, setting standard for preparation and influencing future generation of bartenders. His contribution helps elevate bartending from a basic services role to a respected profession. Number one is United States. The US boasts a diverse, innovative cocktails culture, particularly in cities like New York, Chicago, and San Francisco. The country is known for its influential cocktails bar and mixology trends. Number two is United Kingdom. The UK, especially London, has a rich history bartending and it's known for both classic cocktails and contemporary mixology. British bartenders are influential in setting global trends. The last one is Japanese bartenders are celebrated for their precious craftsmanship and attention to details. Cities like Tokyo and Osaka are renowned for their unique and meticulously crafted cocktails. Bartending serves to provide social and recreational experiences by preparing and serving drinks in various settings, such as bars and restaurants. It fosters social interaction, enhances dining experiences, and contributes to the hospitality industry.